Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to install ChatGPT application on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you want to use ChatGPT as an application instead of a website, then I will be sharing two different methods that you can use. So in the first method, you must have Microsoft Edge browser. And if you're using Microsoft Edge or you have on your computer, then what you have to do, you need to come to this website of ChatGPT. The link will be in the description. Once you come to this page, you need to click on the three dot at the right hand top. Then you need to hover up to apps and then choose the option install this site as an application. Click on it and then here it will say chat.openai.com. You can rename it as ChatGPT. Then you need to click on install. And now it will ask you, do you want to pin this to taskbar? So I think you want to. So you can choose this option. I will create desktop shortcut as well. And if you want to auto start on device on the startup application, I won't go with this option and then I will click on allow. All right. And now if I go back and close everything, so you can see that ChatGPT application has been created on my desktop and even on my taskbar. All right, and if I click on it, you can see the ChatGPT application is now coming up. All right, so this is the best and the effective method, but in case if you do not have Microsoft Edge or you don't want to go with this method, then next what you will have to do, you need to come to this GitHub page. And once you come up here, you need to scroll down, and depending you are using Linux, Mac or Windows, you can choose any one of the options here and you have to click on it. And the ChatGPT application will now be downloading. So it might be asking you for the permissions. So click on the drop down and click on keep. Click on show more and then click on keep anyway. Once it's been downloaded, you have to click on open file. Then click on next, next and install. Then click on yes again and then click on finish. And you can see the ChatGPT application is now up. All right. So these are the two best methods. Whichever you want to use, you can use it. And hopefully you will find this video helpful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.